Okay. So basically today topic name is FLSM or VLSM. Basically, suppose after basic theory, we discuss a layer 2 protocol, then we discuss layer 3 protocol. So right now FLSM or VLSM is very important. Depends on your requirement. Suppose if you are getting a requirements, available 3 floors, a different users, available 3 floors, a same users. So how to provide IP address? How to provide IP address through subnetting? So very simple. Right now FLSM mechanism called fixed length subnet mask. Which one? Fixed length subnet mask. Basically, one more point. With the help of FLSM, network admin provide IP addresses and network address. Clear? Okay. One more thing. In FLSM, every network same total IP address. Which one? Same total IP address. Clear? One more point. In FLSM, every network same subnet mask. Okay. One more theory. In FLSM, every network CIDR value same. What is the meaning of CIDR? CIDR called classless inter domain routing. Just like your slash value. After slash value, you are getting sometime 21, 24, 28, 29, and you are getting 30. This type of value is called CIDR. Clear? So FLSM, first we discuss FLSM concept, then we discuss VLSM. So right now, suppose if I am getting a requirement is a first floor, second floor, and which one? Third floor. So right now, first floor, how many users available? 30 users. Second floor, how many users? 30 users. Third floor, how many users? Aaron, 30 users. So right now, every floor, a 30 users IP address requirement. So that is the reason I am calling FLSM, because requirement is same all floors. So right now, how to solve this task? So first we discuss in which one class? Class C. Why we use class C? Because total number of IP address in use, how many? 90. Yes or no? So class C available 256. So right now class C fulfill this requirement. So right now first task, subnetting rule, first task, decimal to binary. Very simple. So right now, how to choose which one decimal value in use? Right now, all three values are same. So right now, we use 13. Clear? And value is 128, 64, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. So right now, very simple. You just need to convert a 30 decimal to binary. 128 is 0, 0, and this one is 0. 16 is on, 8 is on, 16 plus 8, 24. 24 plus 4, how many? 28. 28 plus 2, how many? 30. And this one is 0. Right now, first task is clear, decimal to binary. Now, second task, borrow bit. Okay, right now borrow bit again. Last time we discussed borrow bit. How to get a borrow bit? Coming from this side and first on bit. Which one number? 16 number. So right now position number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So borrow bit is how many bits? 5 bits. Clear? Okay. Right now one more thing. Third task. DSM to CSM. Default subnet mask convert into customized subnet mask. So right now how to convert? Write down your default subnet mask first. 255 class C. 255 255.0. Inside this octet, how many bits available? How many bits? 8 bits. Right now one more theory. So I just need to convert default na. So 255 255 255 dot. Right now in this octet 8 bits. So right now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Right now we are doing which one concept? Users. User. User means host. If I am doing host concept, bit always off. So how many bits borrow? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one is 5. And then how many bits remaining on? 1, 2, 3. So right now we are doing DSM to CSM. First octet as it is, second octet as it is, third octet as it is, and fourth octet how many bits on? 3 bits on. So right now 128, 64, 32. So right now how many? 224. Clear? Okay, right now fourth number. Increment bits. So 256 minus which one value? A not fulfill value. Which one? 224. So right now how many bits increment? Rajendra ji, Mukul ji, Edwin, Aaron. After doing minus 256 to 254 or 224, how many values come out?
32.
32. Clear na? Okay. Okay, now fifth number task. Block size. Now inside block size, we are getting network address. We are getting broadcast address. We are getting one more. Which one address? Valid IP address. Clear? Okay, right now CSM is already clear. 255, 255, 255, 224. So write down the CSM 255, 255, 255, 224. And how many bits increment? 30. So I am using class C. So 192, 168, 1.0. Verify in address class A, class C, first octet full or free?
Full.
Full. Okay, right now second octet
Full.
full, third octet also full, but fourth octet 0. That means not fulfilled. So I'm just calling this one is my which one network? First. Okay. Right now 192, 168, a 1 dot. How many bits increment? 32. So this one is which one network? Second. Clear? Okay. Right now 1.1, then till go to 1.31. 31 is broadcast address, and 1.12, 1.30 is which one IP address? Valid IP. So right now one more thing. So basically from 1.0 to 1.31, this one is first block. That means I am sending email reply for network admin. 192.168.1.0 is my first network address, and after network we write down slash value. So in first octet, how many bits in use? Complete 8, complete 8, complete 8. That means 8, 8, 8, 24. And last octet, how many bits on? 3 on bits. So right now slash value is which one? 27. So this one is which one floor network? First floor. Right now we need to send second floor network also, na? So right now same as it is. So second floor network already available, but right now we need to IP address 192.168.1.32 plus 32. How many? 64. 64 is which one floor? Third floor. So right now 63 is which one address? Broadcast. And 33 to 62 is which one IP? Valid IP. Clear? Okay. So right now second floor network start from 1.32 until go to 1.63. And now network admin send network engineer send email for second floor network details. So right now network address is second floor 192.168 1 dot which one? 32, and slash value is same because right now this one also use same subnet mask. So right now 255 means 8 bit, 255 means 8 bits, 8 bits, 24, and in this octet how many bits on? 3 bits. So right now we are sending slash value is how many? 20. Right now we need to third floor network. So right now as it is 192.168 1 dot 6432 96. So this one is fourth floor, but I just want to only third floor network. Yes or no? So before 96, which one value? 95. This one is which one address? Broadcast. So right now valid IP start from 65 to 94. This one is which one IP, dear? Valid IP. Clear? Any doubt? This theory is clear. So third floor network address start 1.64 till go to 1.95. I just want to remove this one thing. Remove this one because this one is not in use. I just only need a 3 network. Right now third floor network address information I am sending 192.168 1 dot how many? 64, and slash value is again 27. Clear? Every time you need to define email for network admin, and this one is which one floor network? Third floor. But right now how to get how many hosts available, how many IP address every network? So very simple. Right now go to your subnet mask and how many bits turn off? 1 2 3 4 5. A very simple formula. Host formula is 2 power 5 minus 2. 32 minus 2. How many valid IP? 30. Clear? If someone asking, sir, how many networks available? So how many bits on? 3 bits. So 2 power 3. How many networks total? 8 networks. Clear? And how many host IP address? 30. Clear? And requirement is fulfilled. But in this FLSM concept, we are getting some issues. Sometimes if organization join a new users. So that condition, a first floor 5 new user available. That means I just need to provide IP address now. But in FLSM, I am getting how many IP? 1.1 to 1.30. That condition we need to do again, subnetting FLSM process. But right now in FLSM again we are getting issues, because if I am doing any changes with first network, so second network automatically change. Clear? So very carefully do FLSM process. Clear? Right now one more example for which one feature. Now we discuss VLSM. A VLSM called variable length subnet mask. Okay. Right now VLSM. Okay. Right now with the help of VLSM, network admin provide network address, IP address. Clear? Okay. One more theory. In VLSM, every network different total IP address. Clear? Ibrahim, this thing is clear here. Okay. One more theory. In VLSM, every network different subnet mask. If you are getting different subnet mask, so one more theory you can write down this one. In VLSM, every network different CIDR values. Which one values? CIDR values. Okay, right now, for example, how to solve this task? Class C very easy to learn any features for FLSM, VLSM, and subnetting part also. So right now, for example, if you are getting a requirement, so requirement again same. First floor, second, and this one is which one floor? Mukulji, third floor. Clear? Okay, right now, network admin say, dear first floor 50 users, second floor 12 users, and third floor how many users available? 100 users. Clear? 15, 12 and 100. So right now how to solve? Right now requirement is different, because in FLSM I am getting these values are same decimal values, but I am getting different. Suppose if you are doing VLSM, so first task is same, decimal to binary, decimal to binary. Okay. Right now, so which one class address we provide? Basically same class C. Why? Because 15 plus 12, 72 plus 100, a total IP required 172. So we need to assign class C address. Clear? Okay. Right now, very simple. So first task is decimal to binary. So class if 1 octet, which one value? Clear? Okay. Right now, 128. Okay. Right now, 64, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. But right now, how to choose which one is first? Solve this question. So very simple. Right now, in VLSM, always select highest number first. Highest number. Which one is highest number? 15, 12 or 100? Which one? Highest number requirement. So right now we are getting 100. So right now 100 convert into decimal to binary. 128, 0, 1, 1. 64, 32, 96. 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. Now second task. Borrow. So same borrow bit concept. Anyone know how many borrow bits if you are coming from this side? Which one is borrow bit? Rajendra ji, Mukul ji, Edwin, Aaron.
7.
7. Right now, how to get 7? 1, position number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So number 7 bit first on. Yes or no? So right now 7 number bit. Okay. Right now third task. I just need to convert default subnet mask to CSM. Clear? So right now class A or class C default subnet mask 0. 0 means in this octet how many bits available? 8 bits. So right now how to represent 8 bits? How to represent 8 bits? This one? Okay, right now we are doing which one concept? 100 user. User means host or bit always off. So how many bits off? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And only one bit is enable. So right now CSM is DSM to CSM 255 1 octet available fixed 2 octet 3 octet. In 4th octet which one number bit enable? Which one number bit enable?
28.
128 because right now 128 single value. Okay, right now 4 tasks very simple. Because this one step always use a very simple. Never get any confusion. 256 minus a not fulfill values. Which one? 128. How many bits increment? Anyone know? Or which one is student available for math concept? This one is 120 because 256 minus 128. How many? 128 available. Clear? Okay. Yes. Now fifth number task. Block size. Inside block we are getting network address. Inside block we are getting valid IP and then we are getting broadcast. It's clear dear? Any doubt? Right now, so first CSM. So CSM is (128). Increment bit is 120. So now I am using a class C address. So first full, those second full, third full, but fourth is 0. That means not fulfilled. Why? Because this one is 128. Clear na? So right now 1.0 is my which one floor network? This one is my first network, not a first floor. This one is first network. Okay, right now 192, 168, 1 dot. How many increment? 128. This one will make a which one network? Second. So before 128, which one value? 127. This one is broadcast. From 1 to 126 is which one IP? Valid IP. Clear? Okay, right now I just want to send details because this one is my one block. Clear? So I am sending email for which one floor network address? Verify 100 user which one floor? Third floor. So right now I am sending email for network admin. This one is my third floor network. Address is 1.0. Anyone know slash value? Slash value. Rajendra ji, Mukul ji. 8,
Slash
8,
25.
1. Very good.
Slash
Slash value
25.
is 25. Because one bit on na, this one. Okay. Right now, third floor network is complete. Now, highest is clear value. Now, from highest to lowest, which one? 50. First floor. So right now, 50 user requirement. So first task D2B. That means decimal to binary. Okay. For 50 user, which one bit on or off? 128 off. This one off. On. 32, 16, 48 off. This one on. This one off. So right now 15 decimal to binary is complete. Now second task, borrow bit. Anyone know how many bits a borrow? Coming from this side, how many bits borrow? First on bit. Which one position number?
Is it
6.
6?
6. Very good, very good. Third task, DSM to CSM. So right now class C default subnet mask 255.255.0. Inside 0, how many bits? 8 bits. So how to represent? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right now, again we are doing user, that means host bit always off. So how many bits borrow? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is 6. So right now, how many bits remaining? 1, 2. So plus this two values, plus this values. So you need to create
192.
55, 255, 255 dot 192. Clear? Okay. Right now, fourth number task. Increment bit. 256 minus 192. Anyone know how many bits coming? 64. Math is very important. 64. Clear na? Okay. Right now, fifth number task. Block size. Network. Valid IP. And which one address? Broadcast address. So right now, I think I already remaining second floor network is this one. 192.168.1.128. Okay. So write down your network address, second floor. Second network 192.168.1.128. This one is my which one network? Second network. So right now my CSM is, write down CSM 255 dot. How many? 192. Increment bit is 64. So right now 192, 168, 1 dot 128 plus how many values? 64 right now. So 128 plus 64, 192. This one is my third network. But before 192, which one? 191 is broadcast, and 129 to 119 is which one IP address? Valid. So right now we need to forward the email. So from 1.128 to 1.191 is my block. So right now I'm just trying to send email network admin. Which one floor network? Right now this one. 50 user requirement. Which one floor? First floor network. Network address is 192.168.1.128. Anyone know slash value in subnet mask? How many bits on slash value? Anyone know slash value? Mukul ji, Rajendra ji, slash value. How many bits on? This one is 8. That is the reason full.
27. It's 27.
Full.
It's 20. It's
Full.
24.
But this one is 2. So right
27.
now, 26.
Okay, sorry.
26. Because right now in this octet last 2 bits on. Huh?
Yeah, 2 bits. So I have a question. How many networks supposed to come out from here? Is it 4
Now,
networks?
in this case, you are not getting a network concept pro things. Why? Because requirement is not same. Clear enough? Every network different requirement. Clear? So if you are getting same requirement every floor, that means you can get a network, fixed network details. But in this case, I am not getting fixed network details. Clear enough?
No, what I'm saying is that how many networks can be generated from this?
How many networks
How many subnets?
and how
First,
many?
second,
Yeah,
third,
in this case, in this subnet mask,
Mhm.
only if you are getting 2 bits on, that means 2 power 2 bits. So right now,
Yeah.
how many networks? 4
4.
networks.
So the 4th network will not be dots.
No, but
1,
right now I don't want to make the networks. I just want to fulfill the requirement. Yes or no? Because I already available requirement details. Why? Because first floor only 50, second floor 12, and third floor is 100. Suppose if I am getting fixed number of users IP, so then I will get a fixed amount, fixed network details. But right now, every floor I am getting a different requirement. Yes or no? So in this case, network concept is not fixed. Every floor different. I already write down this one. Different subnet mask, different total IP, and different CID. Clear? Okay, right now one more thing. So right now we fulfill which one floor network first. We need to go to a next requirement. Next requirement is second floor 12 users. So right now go to next slide. 12 users. So first task is very simple. D to B. 128, 64, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. So right now 128 is of higher, this one also, but this one is lower, this one is lower. 8 plus 4 12 plus 2 14, then this one is 0. So right now second task is borrow bit. Anyone know how many borrow bits for 12? Okay, this one is 0 because 8 or 4 12 na. So how many borrow bit? Anyone know? First on bit
4,
4. Very good. Third is DSM to CS 255 255 255.0. Inside 0 how many bits? 8 bits. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Right now we are doing which one concept? User. So how many borrow bits? 4. 1 2 3 4. And how many bits remaining? 1 2 3 4. So right now 128 64 32 16 plus the values. So right now we are making CSM 255. Yes, 240. 255 240. And right now 4 task is increment bit. 256 minus changes value 240. How many increment bit? Anyone know? How many?
16,
16. Okay, right now fifth number task block. So I already know network broadcast. So right now CSM is 255 255 255 240. An increment bit is how many? 16. Okay, right now last time we are getting third network address. Which one? 192.168 1.192. This one is third network address. So write down as it is, represent this slide. 192.168 1.192. This one is third network I am getting. So right now 192.168 1. Why? Because this 3 octet already fixed in my subnet mask. But 192 plus 16 always increment. How many? 208. This one is my which one network? Fourth network. But I don't want to use. I need only 207 because this one is broadcast. And 193 to 206 is which one IP? Well, so I just need to send email from 1.192 to 1.207. Email is for which one floor? second floor. Address is 192.168.1.192. Anyone know slash value? Verify in your subnet mask how many bits is on. Only on bits plus the values. How many? How
20.
many? How many? 20. 28. Why? 8, 8, 8. And this one is 4. Clear? This one is 4. So right now, in subnet mask, how many bits of 4? So 2 power 4 minus 2. 16 minus 2. How many valid IP? 14. Clear? Okay, right now go to next slide. This one, VLSM. Yeah, this one, 25. So right now, in this subnet mask, how many bits of 7? 2 power 7 minus 2. 128 minus 2. How many valid IP? 126. Clear? Okay, this one 192. So how many bits of 2 power 6 minus 2? 64 minus 2. How many valid IP? 62. Clear? So right now, this requirement is fulfilled. Rajendra ji, Mukul ji, any doubt? Any doubt for this requirement? Hello? Can you hear me? Hello? Rajendra ji, Mukul ji, Ibrahim?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Okay. So right now this one is concept based. Okay. So you need to always do these things. Same process. Clear? So now we meet again tomorrow. Then we start a basic commands from configuring a router or switch. Clear? This thing is clear now? Any doubt? Hello?
Yes, sir. I have a doubt.
Okay.
Why we are using slash 25 after IP?
Slash.
Slash any value like 25, 28.
Yes. Yes. Slash value is what are you saying? Again, tell me.
Why we are using after
Slash value. Why we are using slash value? If you are going to a routing protocol, so router exchange this slash values. A router.
What does it mean?
CIDR. CIDR.
No, I just want to ask that when we are sending mail to you.
Yes, you need to. Yes, you need to send a subnet mask. You need to send subnet mask.
Okay.
How? Suppose if someone send, for example, someone sent a 192.168.1.0, but slash value is 29. So how to get these things? Okay, 29 means 8, 8, 8. 24 plus 5. 255, 255, 255. 5 bits on. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 0, 0. So right now 255, 255, 255. 5 bits on means 248. Clear? And now increment bit is 256 minus 248. So I am getting how many? 8. So right now first network, this one network address 192.168.1.0. This one is network address 192.168.1.8. This one is network. So before 8, which one? 7. This one is broadcast. So 126 is which one IP? Rajendra ji, valid. Which one IP? Valid. So this one subnet mask, you can verify how many bits of 3 minus 2. 8 minus 2, and how many valid IP? 6. So in first block, this one is first network. How many valid IP you are getting? How many? 6 valid IP. Clear na? So this one is concept. Clear? Tomorrow we discuss na super subnetting concept. No worry. Again we discuss. If you have doubt. Clear? This thing is clear. Mukul ji, Ibrahim, Rajendra ji, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So we meet again tomorrow. I'm just sending packet tracer set of files on your WhatsApp. Okay, a link. Clear? Then you can download. Clear? Because tomorrow we need to install a packet tracer because we are doing some practicals on router or switches. Clear?